This is what I weirdly found. I captured the color objects is in the skybox. I'll rename this fella colored polygons. Well, I'll pick this. What? It can be strong.